Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we'll be talking about some Yeezys. These are the Yeezy QNTMs in the high-res coral colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below and hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Once again, we'll be talking about this beautiful high-res coral colorway. So we'll go through the overview, a jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this really nice pop of color. Then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. I know that the QNTMs have not been necessarily the biggest hit thus far, but I do actually love this color combination in hand. It really is such a vibrant color combo, and I shot these a little bit later, so I feel like they were kind of glowing in a sense, which is kind of nice to have a sneaker that really glows while you're walking, especially if you're in New York City like myself, and you don't want to get hit by a car, so you want people to see you. So this is a different color combination than what we have unboxed on the channel, but we do have this nice suede on the toe box here in this just nice light tan colorway. As we work our way up to the neoprene of the sneaker and the booty itself, it is in this nice kind of bluish gray color scheme with matching laces, which I think that bluish color scheme really just is complementary with that pop of orange. So as we wrap around caging unit, again, this glows quite nicely. We've got just nice transparent color schemes going on in between that. Wrapping around, we have again that just nice neoprene material, which is nice and thin, and that same bluish gray color scheme, which works its way to the back of the heel. The interior is also in a bluish gray colorway. As we wrap around, we have that same caging unit, again with that glowing effect. And as we work our way to the bottom, we've got kind of a transparent midsole. You can kind of see this nice ombre effect that they've given it. So it's not entirely a full color of orange. You can kind of see through that to see that there is a little bit of cream under there. As we work our way to the bottom, it gets more and more orange, and then we've got that nice vibrant pop of neon orange to complete the sneaker on the bottom of the outsole. And of course, we do have that full length boost, which you can see underneath there. And on the back, we've got some nice reflective overlays. All right, so let's take a look at all of those details. so let's jump into sizing. So I would recommend going a full size up on these, or at least half a size up. These definitely run a little bit more on the snugger side. I like to have a little bit of an easier time putting my sneakers on. So I felt like when I sized up a full size, it was a lot easier for me to get inside of the sneaker itself, but also gave me more room to wear thicker socks. So definitely take into consideration the type of foot you have as well. So I do have high arch narrow feet. So if you have flatter, wider feet, that could differentiate something completely opposite from my own. All right, so now let's talk about styling. Again, just really cool pops of color that you see throughout this. Definitely loving how the grayish blue complements that orange color scheme. So for the first look, I decided to wear some orange, my off-white orange hoodie with a nice just pair of gray Fear of God sweatpants. I think that using just nice similar orange color hues in this will look amazing for any outfit that you put together.
She Gucci girl got the bed. Man lips, no back, flawless tan. She got that Betty look again. One glance, I'm heels overhead. Give it to me. You got that shaka like a heart attacker. A baby girl just to the night. I like your taste, you sweet rosé.
For the second look, still kept with some orange. I decided to wear this plaid blood orange and light orange button down top with this nice just light tan tank to kind of match the front of the upper there. And then I wore some nice just light denim.
Like a heart attacker, let's leave your fans behind. There's only one way to describe a girl just like you tonight. You are one of a kind. So groovy, catching all those eyes. We gon' shop a little closer now. Cha-cha with me, I'll show you how you would do that. Say I'ma make you mine. I say we go for a ride.
And then for the last and final look, I wore the same tank top in this light tan color scheme with some nice wide-leg gray pants.
And I got the perfect place in mind. Let's kick this engine and drive. Give it to me. You got that shakalaka heart attacker. A baby girl just to the nines. I like your taste, you sweet rosé. Tell me, baby, do you have the time? Shakalaka heart attacker. Leave your fans behind. There's only one way to describe a girl just like you tonight. Baby, you would do that. One of a kind. You're so groovy, catching.
So you let me know down below what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these?
But you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go. I know everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go. I know everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going.
What you want to be going, you will see. You can have everything you want. It's your destiny, be in harmony. We were never meant to be apart. What you want to be going, you will see. You can have everything you want. It's your destiny, be in harmony.
We don't really know where the world is gonna go. I know everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to
Now let's
keep
conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retail at $260, and you can actually find these a little bit below retail right now, or just right at the retail price point. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below and hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name's Marissa Hill. We'll catch you all next episode.
know where the world is gonna go. I know everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know.